What is up? In today's video, we are going to Scoobyfest in Yorkshire. This is a crazy long video. Sit back, get some snacks, get a drink, and enjoy. I hope you like that little montage of us getting to the main show. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Send it. Nice car. I need to drop that. I hope you like that little arriving montage thing. This is the main show bit now. So let it roll. Was the main show that's gone to things leaving. Not sure if that's Scooby power. Well, there we go. I think it worked. What is this machine? It's a V8 in a fucking trike. Go on! He's dusted the place out. We've got a 3 or 4 car convoy. I can't quite see them all. Anyways, let's see if they'll do a send. Oh, there it is. Poking his head out, look. Come on. Come on. But we've got a full rally spec one. Look at that. There's my friend down there, he's getting to send it. Go on. That's a lot of dust. I actually pressed pause for no reason then. Send it. Come on. Look at that! Maserati, you'll love these, ain't you? That's ugly, I'm kidding. Ugly. Anyway, back to Subarus. Probably got a convoy of 3 or 4. I don't know if he's lying, because I only see 2 of them. Let's see if they will do a send. I think there's a send here, guys. This is just yeah, it's how your day then. Rev it! Look at that. I have high hopes for a send on this one. Go on! What the hell? What the hell? There is a very boosted Mini coming down here, I think. This will get funny, guys. Watch this Mini absolutely fly down here, destroy our eardrums in the process. Wow, that's a letdown. I've just seen you sending it up and down there, so I don't know why you've done that. You shouldn't send it. That's nice, I like that. Boring. Boring. Perfect time to just say like and subscribe, so if you want more like this you can be updated. I will be doing stuff like this, so yeah, stay tuned. Oh, ka-chow! I hope you guys like that little 9-minute clip of everything leaving. Here's just a few pictures now of the things leaving, just to sail it off. And on that note, I'll see you in the next one.